Jamaica. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Oh na na. And it's all about round me. Big fat sister night. And the two of them came say them. And them argument show me. And the boy them round me. Big fat sister night, yo. And the two of them came say them know me. And everybody will love Jamaica with even one song. So me go wonder how me, how him to know me. How about those man and question me, go live where I see them. Me say how the boy want me, him argument show me. Him got it what, don't you chase me. Them me go here now you me, a 15 auntie. Check it out deep down to the grandma want me. Got you boy, got me, boy bad mind me. Everybody else Beenieman sing round me. Big fat sister night. The two of them claim say them. All them argument. Can somebody say round me? Big fat sister night. And the two of them claim say them. Can I just get some bassline please? Bassline please. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Somebody say oh na 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 na. Oh sing it zaga zaga ooh naga naga na. Welcome the girls them sugar. Welcome the girls them sugar. Give me a mix now. So me ask them, let's go to the but I really have to tell you this. If you know what's inside the mind, I'll be the talent. Look at the phone, I'm going to say, but I'm not going to. How you want to be one for us, come on, and make it. And I want to show you I'm a man that's the romantic. But you have to do the good as I can never eat. Listen when we sing it. Somebody sing. Welcome the girls, them sugar. Welcome the girl. We can get a one job, please. One cup of water and one cup of water. One cup of water. You watch your mind, me at your guy. You give her the money and me kill her with the wine. When you get your bird, she dey on your mind. How today you're a man, daytime mix. I'm gonna write me and I tell me and I tell me that. Me better rich and food, just take the jackpot. But you get pattern and the way that the salary got. Everybody will be on in the air and sing. Welcome the girls, them sugar. Welcome to girls, them sugar. Hush. Hush. Bassline, please. Thank you. Thank you very much. They give me 10 minutes. I'm going to use it very well. So even though you feel like your hope is gone and you're stuck at the end of the road, keep going, you can weather the storm. But don't fall. We are unstoppable. We are unstoppable. We are unstoppable. Jamaican strong. We strong. We are unstoppable. We are unstoppable. Jamaican unstoppable. So we are strong. We are strong. So you me say, welcome the girls, them sugar. The guys, them need is the fire. Welcome the girls, them sugar. The girls, them need is the fire. Get to the next track, please. Okay, make a start. Oh, na 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 na. Oh, na 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 na. Sim Simmer.
Who got the keys to Babylon? The girls and sugar.
Talking now. I'm in a rush. Come with the keys to my shop. Oh my, the girls them love. And I can now will make love to bed. Sim Simmer. Who got the keys to Babylon? Oh my, give me a mix up. You want a book of your relief. Oh, it's a for your nigga and your nigga cat. Oh, it's a for your action like a gun you wanna. Oh, it's a for your pickaxe like a gun you wanna. Man, it's like a riverside up and you want to take it. Like a bicycle so you walk it up. So when you walk it and you stop it, you tell you say you're crabbing. Can I make time out you tell yourself you stab it. Rasta plug in and me and move up for electric. It's like a basketball to take Other day when she leave, when she gone, I know that girls they going. Now all the girls them run come, all the girls them run some. Cause the whole of them want this baby. Plus I told you once, I told you twice that I am the girls them I know the girls them surround me and the girls them attack me. Cause the girls them a driving the beat. Remember Melissa, much of Jamaica. She nearly conquer, but Jamaican stronger. We have to stay one, and everybody we have one. Sim.
Who got the keys to Bobby man?
Oh my.
The girls them sugar.
Talking I mean,
Pass me the keys to my truck.
so am I.
The girls them love. Who got the keys to Bobby man?
Woman, if you're fed up with your boyfriend, and your boyfriend are dinging, well, every night him come in, dinging, and your ears, and your nose, and your gaze, him. Me say, woman, if your man now do your right, and him come in and a fight. Well, every night him come in, dinging, and your ears, and your nose, and your gaze, him again. One job, she don't really need her.
She don't need a boyfriend.
Well, may I have a couple more minutes, so may I just get to it. Kick it. Hush. Can I see everybody that's seated stand up, please? Can I see everybody that's seated stand up, please? Come on. Now, we are here to make some money for Jamaican people who got destroyed in the hurricane. So everybody, me just want to do this one time. You spend the money, man. I'm drinking. Always. When the money come in, we are gonna drink some rum.
And Red Bull.
Whoa, you be seeing me.
Hardcore.
Oh, them want me get like them on the Dancehall get. We are gonna drink some. Whoa, yeah.
Red Bull.
Hey, you be seeing me.
Hardcore.
Them want me get like them on the Dancehall get. But when we stand in here with the blast from them, we bring ice in it. Such a light can't find me. Me find me one of the cock and me and me one. Kick shit up that man. Hands up, so. After the blast, and me move to the jelly bartender him. Coconut so me use what's up. If you hide and drink, then I'm drinking. What?
And Red Bull.
Oh, you can see let me.
Hardcore.
Them want me get.
Hardcore.
I'm drinking.
And Red Bull. Hardcore.
Hush. People, looking at me eye. I know me I cry. But I tell you the honest truth. You see me go to St. Elizabeth and see we going down there. God. Me never reach Westmoreland yet. Don't ever reach Mobile yet. But me can tell you something. Eh? God not sleep even though we are weep. Every day we get up on a January jeep. People them lose them us only. No food and no water, no dung left eat. But everybody knows how we run the street. Money have to make all leap. I'm okay. Black them a big mistake these days. Buy out anybody carry your money fit. You know what's a Rastana.
Okay.
If you look again, me now. Money stack and 5 states. Need further respect, brother. Jamaica, now you drink some rum.
And Red Bull.
And you see, let me.
Hardcore.
Hush. Call and pledge. Call and pledge. People need help. Call and pledge. Everybody that watches. Call and pledge. I gotta say one more thing before I go. Come here, I forgot because my time gone. So I'm just want to say, country road, take me home to that place where I'm from Jamaica. That's where I'm from. Hey, country road, take me to church again, please. Hey, country road, oh, take me home. one say, be all. It's so good and how pleasant it is for brethren and sitting and dwell together in precious unity. It's like a precious ointment from the head to the beard. If he and beard torn the skirt of his garments of a Jew of Herman, Judah, descending on the mountain of Zion, where the Almighty commanded destiny for life forevermore. If you're a Christian, I greet in the name of Jesus Christ. If you're a Muslim, assalamu alaikum. But I greet in the name of the Most High Emperor Haile King Selassie. Jah! I love you, Jamaica. Have a nice night.